guys, today's Sunday. I got in all my turbo parts that I needed. Well, turbo accessories like the feed line, return line. Got my spark plugs. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of work today. One step closer to finishing this car. Well, open the hood and this whole entire well, I wiped it down, but this whole entire engine bay was completely wet, like you can see. Just wiping it down. Thank God that I like servo coated the headers and all of this, because you can already see like in here already got brown. Look at that. That's what I didn't want. But that doesn't matter, because once the turbo and everything gets on, that shit's gonna turn a completely different color. Yeah, just wipe this shit down. It's actually good in a way anyways, because clean up the engine bay. Any dirt. Take it off. Only part that sucks, like this is like a raw metal material kinda. So not a raw metal, but like the material. See how it gets? It gets like a weird color on it. On here also. That's what sucks about this shit. Alright, so where's the bag at? Where's the bag? Did my dad just take the bag? In the back? Oh, here it goes. Alright, so for today, we got a whole bunch of Vibrant stuff. Right here, we have my return line for my turbo. One with the best, obviously, one Vibrant, one with 45, because I want to try to like angle it this way, and then put it like away from the manifold so it doesn't get, so it won't like touch or whatever. So I gotta see actually how that's gonna fit, because this is kind of crazy, and I don't think it's gonna fucking work. I don't know, man. I don't think it's gonna work. I'm gonna have to need like a spacer or something. I don't know. I'm gonna take its turbo off and figure it out, because if you guys remember, this turbo is I mean, that's how close it sits. And then I told you guys before, the return is there. So I gotta try to see how I'm gonna make all of this fit and get out of the way of everything without touching the manifold, because that's what I don't want it to do. So to make things easier, I'm just gonna take out the turbo, quick 4 little bolts, and then try this return line. So I got a regular return line, all Vibrant stuff, and then I got a fireproof sleeve, so nothing can happen to it. Got a feed line, got a Vibrant return like adapter flange, Vibrant gasket, and it's pretty good. I got these right here, which are gonna rethread the threads in here. I told you guys this is stripped, and I'm gonna take this out, rethread it, and I'm gonna put the gas pedal back on the way it wasn't supposed to go, the wrong way. And I also got some new NGK spark plugs, so I'm gonna be putting that on. So I'm gonna get a lot of things done today. Shows my rules. Look at the beginning don't have that much thread. I don't know. We're having a little bit of issues with this hole. Trying to rethread it. I don't know if it's the same size or if it's bigger. I have the M6 for that, which I believe it is, but looks like that one. This one wasn't threading. That one rethreaded a little bit, but looks like the beginning of it is not getting any thread at all. We have a bit of an issue here. Always some fucking bullshit. So on this one, like I told you guys, it goes all the way into the manifold. My dad was rethreading this one. I highly doubt we broke through the little like aluminum that was there, because this one still has it, and he went through it like easily. But I don't really want to do it, but I think I'm gonna have to take this manifold off just to make sure you know, it didn't, like, I guess that little piece didn't go off and go into the runner, just to make sure. I mean, I doubt it, but I think that's what we're gonna have to do. Just gonna do this turbo stuff first, and then I guess just move on from there. Alright, so we took out the manifold and there wasn't shit inside, so I'm not gonna say we did it for no reason, just wanted to make sure nothing was in there. So then we gotta put everything right back. I haven't even got to start on the turbo, so oh yeah. Tighten up the feed line, you guys saw. Now I'm going to be putting on, you guys can see this, I'm just not trying to scratch up turbo. Alright, so this is for the return. So it's a Vibrant one, I believe. Doesn't matter which way this goes. So yeah, let's put this on.
And you got that feed to go there?
Alright, so manifolds back on. Everything is on there tight. Spark plugs is on. I run my wires this way. Try to tuck it as much as possible so you can already see the plugs and stuff. Yeah, so now we're gonna put the turbo on the drain line, and then we're just gonna run 2 mercury-sized bolts there, and just put 2 10s. Because it looks like whoever had the manifold before stretched it out. So I'm just gonna do 2 10s, then I have to do the gas pedal, and then I think that should be good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the T-brackets here or not, but let's see what happens. Oh, and I have to change out this sensor right here. I have a block hole for it. Alright, fuel is back on. Forgot to put that back on like an idiot. Ran everything, had to tighten it, loosen it, because you know the injectors can't be too tight. Now we're working our way to the oil pan now, so I'm gonna take this bolt out right here. Actually, I don't even have to get underneath the car. Take up front right here. Bad boy out. So I'm gonna plug the fitting for the return right here. So this is amazing because look at that. Moroso already has spots like bungs already welded in, so I don't gotta do no extra work. Put the fitting on. Should go on. Nice and easy. Some Teflon on it. Good to go. And I ordered the fitting wrench, but it didn't come in time. So now I need the fitting. I need a wrench to tighten this now because that's hard already. Alright, so I don't have the right wrench size for this. So should get the right size. You guys know this shit is gonna get all scratched up, so that's what we're gonna do right here. So you don't scratch fittings. The hood way, but listen. So I ended up having the socket size, so it'll probably scratch. So I have to play around with this a little bit. This line, fuck, might be too big. Might be too long. I got it from Full Throttle. Definitely think it might be too big, and I'm already running into an issue right here. Okay, that's there. I just need to make sure this line as far away as possible. Alright, alright, my issue. Okay, and I can still run it here. No, that might be gonna be too crazy. Alright, so took the turbo off, tightened the fitting down because it was not gonna work out that way. It was way too tight of a fit, so tightening the turbo real quick so we can mount everything up, and then continue from there. Probably gonna record off the off my iPhone because my camera's literally about to die. All right, so I'm recording off my phone. Like I said before, I'm gonna run the feed line this way, because I'm not gonna run it like over here because it looks ugly, or that way, or over this way looks, I guess you can say, the cleanest and the best way. And then if I run it this way, it's gonna be an issue. So this shows a bitch to tighten down. This is still like loose, so I need you guys to understand all of this is still loose. I'm just literally mocking everything. I'm making sure everything is good because I want, like, that fitting, I wanted to make sure it was tight. You know, this is just like hand tightened. Because remember, guys, when everything is all said and done, everything is done, like that obviously is not tight either. It's like, you know, whatever. I tightened it from here because that's where I really needed to get tightened from. So I tightened it all the way down from here. From here is just gonna stay, obviously, like it's hand tight, you know what I'm saying? But it's just more or less of how I wanted to make sure everything is good, so everything is out of the way. If you guys wondering what this is the fireproof sleeve, so it protects it from heat, anything like that, so heat doesn't like melt it or get it super hot, and if it gets a hole or burns it, it won't catch a fire. And you know, it's oil. So but yeah, so as of right now, this is where the turbo's at. Obviously the intercooler is gonna sit here, so it's gonna be a straight back door. Again, all of this, you guys can see. I'll turn it for you guys so you guys can see. All of this still loose because he's obviously gonna have to move the turbo, all types of way when my dude Ben does the fabrication for the piping, everything. So then when he figures everything out, he'll tighten everything, put everything back on for me, and then I'll be completely good. The throttle cable, I'm just gonna leave like that for now because Sunday the parts store and shit is closed today. So the hardware store next to me is closed, so I'm just gonna get 2 bolts with Teflon, put it on there, and then I'm just gonna finish this off right here. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for this. All right, let me see that one. So this is the one I just took off. This shit looks, I don't need that sensor. Look how big and doofy it looks. But put a little block off. Look how pretty that looks. Voila. Alright, y'all, so I'm done. This fucking thing is looking so good. Like, I was just looking at the car from here. Oh my goodness, this thing is fucking beautiful. Can't believe I literally did all this. This is my work of art here, my hard work, blood, sweat, and tears. Shit is looking so good. But yeah, so everything is good. Just tying up my shifter also, so the shifter is good. You can hear the notchiness now. Cause I did the D10 springs, upgraded D10 springs from Speed Factory. Synchros, I forgot what gear I did. Yeah, man. Soon. Alright, guys, so ended up finishing up. And yeah. Next thing is, for me, is piecing together all the things that I need for this gas for fuel, because there's going to be a whole bunch of hoses, a whole bunch of fittings, cutting, putting fittings on, so it's going to be a lot. So I just have to try to, you know, piece this together. And yeah, I mean, I can explain it to you guys, but you guys are probably going to be lost. But let me try to explain it to you guys before I guess, like, before I get off this. But anyways, guys, so car is done what I needed to do. If you guys are new, make sure to hit the like button if you guys enjoy this this vlog. Hopefully we get some more content going on. Obviously, I'm always gonna have some content on this car. We try to get the race going on too with Julio and 45, but hey, listen, I'm gonna say what it is. He's scared to run Julio again with the brake. He wanted a heads-up race on the turbo car. You guys already seen what happened when they ran with the brake. Obviously, Julio's car wasn't running 100%, but he's saying now if Julio's car wasn't 100%, whatever, some bullshit. So he's scared. We tried that. That's not gonna happen. So hopefully we get some action sooner than later. It's a new year, so happy New Year to you and your family. For me and my family, you guys really appreciate the channel. If you guys enjoy this, I would really appreciate it. Start the new year. Let's smash this like button. Let's kill it.
Share this. Tag me on your Instagram stories so I can repost them. Yeah, I know I've slacked off a lot on, vlogs and stuff. Like 2021, it was a crazy year. A lot of shit went on, but hopefully this year, first day of the year, working on the Civic and getting some work in progress done. Like, comment, subscribe. Build to enjoy. Peace out. See you guys in the next one.